What is up, you guys? It is Keith with Stockhours here, recording another video. Today I'm going to cover the live trades I took on Tesla and Netflix on Friday, July 22nd. So I'm going to go ahead and let these trades play out for you and do a quick recap at the end.
Alright, so the first minute candle just closed. You playing this if this comes back up though?
Yeah.
I'm in. Nice.
Wow. We broke. Congrats.
NQ is just flipping to green.
20%. Wow.
That's enough of a scalp. I'm done with that.
That's all you needed.
Yeah.
That's insane. That's literally all you need.
They're legit gonna be more beautiful.
Yeah. We literally planned that. We said we're not playing off the open.
It was solid.
It takes its time. That was so sick. You calling it a day?
I don't know. If Netflix comes back up, Netflix is a doll.
The hell is Netflix doing?
Yeah, I'm looking at Netflix. That was nice, so.
Did you play?
How many contracts did you have, Mason?
Yeah, I did, Frankie.
Sorry, my headset died. If Netflix comes back up, I'll consider it, but I could, if I felt like it, I could literally walk away right now, be totally fine, and then set alerts for Netflix.
Yo, Tesla died.
Good.
That's crazy.
I was up like 750 on that, but I was seeing if we could get a little bit more, but I ended up taking like 500.
Netflix looks strong right here. It didn't really pull back with the market.
I saw my contracts go up $2 and I was like, I'm taking that.
Yeah, I should have done that.
What?
You're talking about Netflix?
Yeah.
It's close again.
It's going here.
I won't get in this candle. Just for the sheer fact that I'm up already.
Yeah.
There you go.
We'll see if it continues to push, but yeah. So that could have worked.
I think it's gonna continue to push, Mason.
That's what it's telling me. Well, worst case scenario, you're done for the day and you don't see anything else. Best case scenario, you took Tesla and Netflix. If you only took Tesla, you're still a wealthy individual. So
Netflix was solid. That was nice.
you played that too?
Yeah.
Nice. You caught Tesla and Netflix as well. I mean,
Yeah. I had my contracts pulled up for both of them already, so I think I got all that on recording too. That was nice.
That's a good day for you then.
Yeah, I think I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm in TradeZella here, and this is the same day, Friday, July 22nd. I did end up taking extra trades after I stopped recording. Wish I would have got those, but I did not. So, here. That first trade we saw on Tesla here, I was originally looking the day before at the 820 break to the upside. We broke that pre-market, rejected right at 830. So, I adjusted my plan to the 830 break, and what we did here, we got some sellers taking profits off the open, and after that we had a pretty strong push on Tesla while NQ wasn't really pushing. So I got in here with 4 contracts on the push back up through 830. And I was originally looking for a little bit more out of that trade. I was looking for the 835 break, but we weren't able to hold that up. So I ended up taking profits. I made $480 on that trade, 12.37%. I was in that trade with $3,900. And you can see my fills down here. I bought 4 contracts at price of $970 per contract. Sold all 4 at $1090 per contract. And then the next thing here was the Netflix trade. So on Netflix, I was looking at the 225 break to the upside, and I really liked how we were pushing on Netflix. And the only thing that sketched me out a little bit about this trade was this big green candle all the way up to 225. So you can see here, this big green candle pushed all the way from 222 all the way up through 225. I was a little hesitant about that, but the market was selling off as Netflix was having a really strong push with pretty high volume, especially for this stock. So I took that with 10 contracts. I got in here with 10 contracts, and I scaled out and sold half of them at a price of $263 per contract, and I was gonna see if we could get a little bit more of a push out of this, because my price target on this was around that 227 area, and we ended up not being able to hold that either. So I ended up taking profits on the other 5 at $237 per contract. So that was a really nice trade. I always like taking advantage of these Netflix trades whenever it sets up for us and actually has volume on the contracts. That was around a 27% trade. I only had $1,970 in this position. So that's pretty good for a $530 profit. And then down here you can see my fills. Bought 10 at $197 per contract, sold 5 at $237, sold 5 at $263. And then we will go into the other trades that I took that day. So here's that first Tesla trade, and then that Netflix trade, and then I had 2 other trades on Tesla, and I'm pretty sure, yeah. So I ended up playing the V-shaped recovery, whatever you want to call it, into high a day. I bought 3 contracts at $940 per contract, sold 3 contracts at $1090 per contract. That was a 15.96% trade. Another $450 on a $2,800 position. Then you can go down here and see the fills. And then I had another trade on Tesla that day, and that was the inverse H into high of day. Now, I don't recommend playing high of day after high of day, but Tesla was showing some pretty clear strength this day, and the contracts were moving really nicely. We were having pretty clean moves, so it was worth the risk to me. I wasn't risking that much on any of these other scalps. So yeah, I had 2 contracts on this, 10.2% return on that, $234 profit on a $2,300 position. Yeah, you can see here, these trades aren't very long at all. I wasn't even in this one for a minute. So these were just little scalps to end the day. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the like button and that bell notification. So, all right, have a good rest of your week. Peace.